I am here with Ann McMickel, who is the Interim Vice President of American Cancer Society. Can you talk a little bit about the issues that brought you here to the conference and what you've been engaging in here?
Sure. Thanks for having me. And the American Cancer Society is proud to be here at Women Deliver. This is our first time at this conference. And we believe that cancer and NCDs have a huge role to play as we start to talk about women and girls and issues of access to quality health care, issues of women's rights. Oftentimes, our cancer is not diagnosed at a time when women can really take advantage of the prevention and technology tools. So there are some real issues that we think align well with a lot of the themes that Women Deliver focuses on.
And then what have you specifically been engaging with here on the ground? Have you done any side events or hosted any forum here?
Sure. American Cancer Society was proud to partner with the Gates Foundation and a number of other partners for a special cervical cancer forum that preceded the Women Deliver conference. And it brought together about 300 or so advocates that are interested in making cervical cancer a higher priority. Cervical cancer kills more than 275,000 girls and women each year, and we think that that's just unacceptable at a time when we know that it can be easily prevented with vaccines and easily treated when detected early. So we really want to bring awareness to the issue of cervical cancer and see where there might be some strong synergies with other women's health issues. What was really great about the forum is that it resulted in a strong call to action that we hope those that are interested in the issue will sign on to and just become more aware of cervical cancer and how we can be doing much more to finish the fight against cervical cancer. American Cancer Society just celebrated its 100th anniversary. And so thank you. And so we're using that as an opportunity to bring greater awareness to the areas of cancer control where we feel like we can really be making some strong strides against finishing the fight against this disease. And it starts with ending the silence around cancer, making sure that it's not an unnecessary death sentence, making sure that it's not taking the toll on the lives of women and girls unnecessarily and prematurely.
Absolutely. So I'm here as part of a partnership around the annual Social Good Summit, and we just launched a website called Plus Social Good where people can go online and connect with each other to discuss how social media and technology can help to improve development outcomes. Are there any types of technologies that you're using to fight cervical cancer or any social media strategies that maybe people could engage and learn from?
Well, we're learning as we go. We think that social media is a hugely untapped opportunity for us to spread the word, to amplify life-saving messages around cancer control. We work very closely with a broad network of stakeholders, and many of whom are journalists. So we want to invite young journalists in particular to help us get innovative messages out around cancer. Some of the specific ways that we've worked with our network is through getting just strong, short, simplistic messages like make sure that you're getting screened for cancer, make sure that you're aware of your cancer risk, make sure that you're staying away from deadly risks such as tobacco control. So those are really short but life-saving messages that we think are quite important to share through social media vehicles. We also recently participated in the Health Summit that took place in Washington, D.C. last year. So we're learning where there are some real opportunities for us to engage with the large Health movement. As I understand it, there are more than 9 billion mobile subscribers, and we feel like there's some real opportunity to use that technology to help get our messages out.
Definitely. So to the people watching this interview online, how can they support or read the call to action, and where can they get more information?
Thanks for asking. The cervical cancer call to action is posted on a website called cervicalcanceraction.org. It's a coalition that ACS supports, and so the call to action is posted there. I would also invite your viewers to come to our website, which is global.cancer.org, for more information on cancer control.
Thank you so much, Ann.